service for the player we just got, and then switch the location to show games, which is our other route. So that's templates. When you learn about Angular, you'll see there's all these like looping templates and stuff. So you can do ng repeat. So if I had like some sort of list of games available, I could say go ahead and build a div every time I see a game in games available, and then we'll print out the information. So we'll build a link for join game, passing it the game's game ID. And that's how we built that particular one. So you can see looping as well. And these slides are all available for you. Here's a Spring MVC code. This is what you're used to if you're a Spring developer. This is just a plain old, well, not really plain old. It's close to plain old controller method. So we have the player object here, player controller. We take a post method with a value of register/nickname as the value. And then in this case, we're using a response entity object. A response entity lets us wrap a data value with a HTTP return code. And we're grabbing the nickname on the path. So all of that, if you're a Spring developer, should look somewhat normal, at least Spring 3. The main difference is...
I would say this is configured for REST. So you have response body on the return.
Right there.
And path variables, so it's configured for using REST.
Right, so if you've done anything with RESTful URLs in Spring 3, and if not, there's a fair amount of documentation on it. So you can take a look at that and get started with RESTful. There's even some good blog posts actually around it when it first came out. And then inside of that, I go into my actual, basically David and I communicate with the APIs from here. And the bottom line is I will get a player game session, which I'm holding on the server so people can't cheat very easily, unless they really figure out how to hack their sessions. So their username and their score and everything are kept